Good morning all of you. Good morning beta. Class 3, are you ready for the computer class? I hope you all are ready. Shubhasri. Okay, then let's start now. You know that very well, previous class we discussed the magic tool. TaskPen, this chapter is going on, right? TaskPen, this chapter is going on. So you all please take out your computer book. You all please take out your computer book and open page number 84, chapter number 6, TaskPen. TaskPen, this chapter is going on. Previous class I discussed the magic tool. Magic tool is, it is a magic tool, it is a special effect of the TaskPen. Previous class I told, and I discussed brick tool and the blind effect, brick effect and the blind effect. Today I will discuss some other effect also. Okay, so you all please take out your book and follow me. Suppose this is the TaskPen window. Left side, this is the toolbox, on the right side this is a selector, and the bottom there is a color palette. Okay, and these are the toolbox. From the toolbox you can choose the tools, and from the selector you can choose, you can select any type of shapes and patterns. Okay, can you hear my voice? Good morning everyone. Can you hear my voice beta? Reply me on chat. Do you have any problem, any queries? Okay, good morning beta. Shagatam, Snehanjana, Shubhasri, Upayan. Okay, then continue. Okay beta, now there are, from the toolbox you just choose the, from the toolbox you just choose the magic tool. From the toolbox you just choose the magic tool. When you select the magic tool, you can see the right side, the magic tray. In the right side there different magic effect are there. From the magic tray you can choose any effect of the magic tool. Any effect you can choose from here. Suppose from here you want to tornado. Select the tornado effect. Using the brick effect you can make this type of brick in your drawing. You can using the brick tool you can make the wall in your picture. And now you want to select the tornado. Tornado, it is a magic effect. You just select the tornado from the magic tree, that means from the right side of the TaskPen window, and then after selecting the tornado you just bring the pointer over here where you want to insert the effect, where you want to insert that effect. And suppose you want to insert the cloud over here, obviously it should be in above. You just click it and you can see this type of. Okay, very good Shubhasri. Now here is you can draw this type of tornado cloud in your drawing using the tornado effect. Now if you choose the rain, there is a rain is also a effect of the magic tool. Rain effect you can choose from the magic tree. After choosing the rain effect, where you want to, you just click it where you want to insert the rain, and you can draw this type of droplet in your drawing, raindrop in your drawing. Okay, and now the grass effect. Grass is also a magic effect. Ready-made grass you can draw in your drawing. You just choose the grass effect from the magic tool, and after choosing the grass effect you just choose the color from the color palette. Generally green in color, the grass green in color. You just choose the green color from the color palette and bring the pointer where you insert the grass, and you can draw this type of grass in your drawing. Okay, you can draw this type, click it and drag it, click it and drag it. In this manner you can draw the grass effect in your picture. And suppose you want to draw a rainbow, there is a ready-made rainbow is there. You just select the rainbow effect from the magic tray, and then suppose you want to draw a rainbow this side only, and then click it and drag it how much you require. Suppose you need only this portion rainbow, and click it and drag it and release it. Click it, drag it and release it. Okay, and this is the rainbow effect. You can give a rainbow effect in your picture. And next, there is a flower. There is a ready-made flower. You can no need to draw the flower. There is some ready-made. You just choose the flower effect, and when you choose the flower effect, and you can choose the color of the flower also from the color palette. Suppose you want to insert a red flower, so select the red color, choose the flower effect from the magic tree and select the red color from the color palette, and where you want to insert the flower, you just click it. You just click it and you can see red color flower. Suppose you want to change the color, again you can change the color also from the color palette, and here suppose you want to insert yellow color flower, you can insert. Okay, where you want to insert different color flower, you can insert using the flower effect and applying the color from the color palette. Now, if you want to add some special effect in your drawing, you can choose the perspective effect. This is the effect. Add the special effect, choose perspective from the magic tree. This is also is under of the magic tree. There is a this type of icon is there, that is a perspective. You just choose from the magic tree and click on the canvas once and see the magic, and you will just click on the drawing canvas and you can see the effect. What type of effect is this? You can watch it. Okay, after using this. And next is the blur magic. Blur magic blurs that the area of the picture on which this effect is applied. You can see that area is a blur. Okay, select the blur effect and apply. Select Triporna, how are you? Select the blur effect, blur magic, blur area of the picture on which this effect is applied. Okay, and select the blur effect and apply it over the brick and see the magic. Okay, and see how they look. You just apply on the brick, over the brick, and you can see the effect. If you have computer in your home, if your Tuxpan is installed, please you all will do apply all this effect so that you can understood, and it is a very interesting chapter, and when you will do it on, you can understood that how it look and what is the effect, and you will enjoy also. Now let's check part. Beautiful painting is ready. Now you can try other tools also to beautify in further. Beautify in further. Later on you can apply any other tools also, other effect also. Now you all please take out your pencil and solve the let's check part. Let's check part we will solve in our book. You all please take out your pencil and solve this part in your book. Match the following. Let's check. Match the following. Let's check. A, B, C, D and E. First one, this is a blind effect, rainbow effect, and the third one, this is the perspective, and fourth one flower, and E, this is the brick effect. And right side number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First rainbow, next one to create wall, number 3 to grow flowers. I will not write the full sentence, it is already written in our book. To grow flowers, to give perspective, to give blinds. Okay, now first one, this is the blind to give lines effect. This is number A. So you all write 5A beside 5A. A, I cannot B. Okay, good. You just match it once more, Shubhashree. And next one, rainbow. Next one, rainbow. This is number B. Number 1, B. And the third one, this is to give perspective. To give perspective, number C. 4, C. Number D, flower. To grow flower. The number 3, D. And number E, to brick tool. Using this tool, we can make wall. We can create wall. This is number E. So 1, B, 2, E, 3, D, 4, C, 5, A. I hope understood. Do you have any doubt, any queries? Anyone? Understood? Please type beta, otherwise I can't understand. Do you have any doubt, any queries? Sarina? Okay. Okay, beta. Others? Okay, okay, very good. Now, we can go to the next part. Okay, very good. Stamps tool. I will discuss stamps tool. Now I have to rub the board. Can I rub this? Triparna, okay. Swagatam, okay, beta. Now, I hope completed. If one have completed. Now, this is the tool box, and this is the color palette, and the right side these are the selector. Right side these are the selector, and you can see here when you see the stamps tool, when you choose the stamps tool from the toolbox. Suppose you have choose the stamps tool. Stamps tool, using the stamps tool, you can add different ready-made animals. Shivang Kumar present. Okay, Shivang. Now continue your class. Later on, I will take your attendance, beta. Stamp tools allows you to use different birds, animals, instruments, some others also, etc. in your painting without drawing this. No need to draw the bird. Suppose you want to draw a crow in the stamps tool, under of the stamps tool, there are the different birds are there. Which one you required, you can insert that picture only. No need to draw. Ready-made picture are there. Okay. Now, A, am I told to write down present now? Listen to me. When you select the stamps tool from the toolbox, you just select the stamps tool. And after selecting the stamps tool, the right side, there is a selector. From the selector, you just choose which one you require. And there are the arrow keys, two arrow keys, right arrow and the left arrow. Using these arrow keys, we can move the page. We can go to the next page also. There are the many stamps tools are there in the selector. So in one page we cannot see all the pictures. So using this arrow keys, left arrow and the right arrow, using these arrow keys we can move the page up and left and right. Okay. So when you select the stamps tool from the toolbox, the right side selector turns into a stamps. Right side you can see the stamps. Okay. And you just have to select the desired animal from the stamps and click it to the drawing. Suppose you want to insert a animal, dog, cat, whatever you want to insert, you just select the animal, you just click it, arrow, and when the animals will comes, you just select the particular desired animal, which one we want to select it. After selecting this stamp, you can choose the size of the stamps also. You can choose the size of the stamps also. How? There is a slope bar is there. There is a slope bar. Using this slope bar, you can adjust the size of the stamp using this slope bar. Okay, you just click this bar and which size you require. This is a slope bar, this is the smallest one, the left side, and the right side ending one is the maximum size, and the left side, this is the minimum size. You can change the size of the stamp using this slope bar. Okay, and from the color palette you can choose the color also. From the color palette you can choose the color also. Okay, and now there is a, from the stamps, click on the right or the left arrow. You can also for which one you want to insert, using the arrow keys you can move the page up and down, right and left, and you can also increase or decrease the size of the stamp using the slope bar. I already discussed with you. And just above the color palette we can also see the mirror image of the selected stamp by using the mirror option. Just before the above the color palette there is a button mirror. There is a button, mirror button. Using the mirror button we can paste the selected stamp beside the previous stamp. We can give a mirror effect of our stamp. We can apply, we can give a mirror effect using the mirror button. Where it is present? It is present here above the color palette. Okay, and now turn over the next page. I will discuss the text tool. You know very well in MS Paint, when you draw something in MS Paint, Microsoft Paint, inside in our drawing there is a drawing area. In the drawing area, Shubhashri, what is going on beta? In the drawing area only we can draw, but if you want to write something in your drawing area, we select the text tool. Using the text tool we can write something in the drawing area. Same as in the taskpan also there is a text tool. In the toolbox there is a text tool. You just select the text tool. Using the text tool you can write something in the drawing canvas. First you select the text tool. When you select the text tool, right side there is a letters. There are different styles, letters are appears. You just choose your desired style. You can choose the letter style from the right side selected. Okay, and you can choose the size of the letter also. How? From the slope bar you can choose the size of the letter also, and you can choose the color of the letter also from the color palette. From the color palette you can choose the color also. Suppose you want to write a sentence in red, with red color, you can choose the red color. If you want to write in blue color, you can choose the blue color and blue, and then choose the style, and there is a box will appear and the cursor will be there, will blink, and you just start typing from the keyboard. Obviously if you want to type something, we have to use keyboard. Using the keyboard, which one you want to type, you just type it. If you can't adjust in the single line, you just press the enter key. If you press the enter key, the cursor will come down the next line, or using the tab key also you can go to the next line. Okay, do you have any doubt, any queries? And when you write something, suppose you have done some mistake. Suppose you want to write A but it's written O. That means you have to rub the letter. How? Using the eraser tool you can rub. To delete text, use the eraser tool. Suppose you have written the full sentence, if you want to rub it or any part of the text you want to rub, you can use the eraser tool also. Clear? Clear beta? Do you have any doubt? Now the line tool. I will discuss the line tool. Line tool is used to draw the straight line and the straight line and the straight patterns. Using the line tool, where is the line tool? Line tool is under of the tool box. Select the line tool. When you select the line tool, you can see the in the selector there the different patterns lines are there. Okay, and click the lines tool. Select the desired shape from the right side. Right side it's called selector. From the selector you just choose the pattern of the line, and you can choose the color also. You can choose the color also. Select, click on the different places on the canvas or drag the cursor, and after selecting the line you just drag it where you want to insert. Suppose you want to insert here this type of line, here this type of line, you can whatever, there are different patterns, different shapes are available. Okay Sharina beta, and now you will get the different types of lines and borders also. You can choose, and you can change the shape and color by choosing the color, by choosing the different shapes, and by choosing the color you can change the color also, you can change the shapes also using the selector and using the form, using the color palette you can choose the color. Okay Shubhashree, very good. You can change the shapes and color by choosing the different shapes from the right side and colors from the color palette. Okay, and line tool works similar to the pen tool. Line tool works similar to the pen tool. In the under of the pen tool we can see the different patterns, different shapes are available. We can choose anything. This is also the similar. The line tool has the same brushes shapes in the selector as in the pen tool. The only difference between the pen tool and the line tool is order in which the drawing is displayed. In which the drawing is displayed, that order only the change, but the patterns and shapes are similar. Okay, and while using the pen tool you can see the image you are drawing at that moment. When you apply the pen tool, on that moment you can see the picture, you can see the effect of that particular shapes. While using the pen tool you can see the image, which image you want to apply, that image you can see on the drawing canvas when you are drawing, on that moment you can see. But if you apply the line tool, which you that moment, but other hand while using the line tool you will see only a straight line from the starting point. From the starting point you can see only a line, that image you cannot see. That is the different only pen tool and the line tool. Okay, is from the starting point to the ending point. The pattern appears only after you completed the line and the release the mouse button. Still you are not releasing the mouse button, you cannot see the image of that particular line. Okay, today this much. Next class I will discuss rest of the part and book exercise also. Do you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask me. Now I will take your attendance. Who are present, they will just tell that present. Okay, P, write down P so that I can take your attendance. Do you have any doubt, any queries beta? Do you have any doubt, any queries? Shuchita, how are you beta? Okay, I hope you have no doubt, no queries, fine. And next class I will discuss rest of the part. For today this much.